probability as well. So we talk about a series of events. Suppose there's 5 balls in an urn. They're identical except for color. 3 of them are red and 2 are blue. You're instructed to draw out 1 ball, note its color, and set it aside. So we're gonna look at the outcomes of the experiment and the probability of each outcome. So let's start by looking at this beginning. We have 2 possibilities, either a red or a blue ball. So I'm going to do 2 branches. I could do a red or blue. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach the probabilities along the branches. So for a red ball, there are 3 of them are red. So there's a 3 out of 5 total. So 3 out of 5 are red. And then there's 5 total. 2 of them are blue. So it'd be a 2/5 blue. Now, if we select a red, what are the possibilities for balls we could select for the next one? Red or blue. Okay, so you do red and blue. If I select a blue one, what's the possibilities? Red and blue. Now, the thing is, these are not independent events because the outcome here depends on the outcome there. So if you select a red one, how many balls would be left? If you select a red one, we had 5, we select a red one, so how many are left? 4. Out of those 4, how many of them would be red? We select the red one here, so how many would be red? 2. Okay. For blue, we'd have 4 left. How many of these are blue? Well, 3 of them are red. We select the red one, so now we got 2 left. So 2 are red, 2 are blue. Now, let's say I selected the blue one first. Okay, so if I select the blue one first, how many balls would I have left? 4. How many of them would be red if I select the blue one? 3. If I select the blue one first, I'd have 4 left. How many of them would be blue? 1. Notice that with the addition of the probability, they have to add up to 1 at each branch. So these add up to 1, these add up to 1, these add up to 1. Okay. Now, how many possible outcomes are there? Let's look at it. We've got red, red. We've got red, blue. We've got blue, red, and we've got blue, blue. Okay, so those are my 4 possible outcomes. So there's 4 possible outcomes. So there's 4 outcomes. Okay. Now, what is the probability for each outcome? All you have to do here is just multiply the fractions along each branch. So for the red, I'll do 3/5 times 2/4. Okay? 3 times 2 is 6. 5 times 4 is 20. So 6/20. You could leave it improper or you could reduce it. Or not improper, but unreduced. You could leave it unreduced or you could reduce it. Red, blue. So I got 3/5 red times 2/4 blue. So 3 times 2 is 6. 5 times 4 is 20. So that could be 3/10. Blue, red. So it's 2/5 times 3/4. So you do this probability times that probability. So once again, that's 6/20, which is 3/10. And then blue, blue. 2/5 times 1/4. So 2/5 times 1/4. 2 times 1 is 2. 5 times 4 is 20. So that'd be 1/10. So now, at the end, you want to make sure all the outcomes add up to 1. So 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. So it'll be 10 out of 10, so they add up to 1. And so those are your probabilities of each outcome.